How to fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. What is up, everyone? If you are facing the status access violation error in Google Chrome, this is how you fix it. The fix is pretty quick and easy, so make sure you watch till the end. Go ahead and open up your search bar and then simply search for Chrome. Once you find Google Chrome here, just go ahead and right click on it. Now click on Open File Location. As you can see here, this location right here, the highlighted Chrome, is just a shortcut. So you're going to have to head over to its real Chrome. So right click on it again. And then from here, go ahead and go to file location. So click on more option and then simply click on go to file location. So I'm just going to click on open file location here, and it will take you to this page where it says Chrome exe. If you don't see the .exe, just make sure to right click on it and then rename it. What you're going to do is just remove the E and then write in chrom.exe and then hit enter. Once you do that, restart your PC and your error should go away. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.